Are you looking for a PPM solution? Do you want faster implementation and lower cost? Do you barely have time to watch this video? If so, then let's talk about PPM Express from Rego Consulting, the industry's leading provider of PPM services. PPM Express leverages our core suite of Rego deployment assets to get you up and running in weeks, not months. But PPM Express is anything but entry-level. Our PPM Base Kit is built on core PPM practices, developed from over 10 years of engagements spanning over 600 customers and thousands of PPM development requests. PPM Express goes way beyond a technical install. Of course, you get all the features you'd expect: a turnkey PPM solution with additional fields, workflows, security and dashboards, plus a rich content pack to improve adoption and efficiency, even data migration of demands and projects. But that's just the beginning. PPM Express also includes an executive-worthy, long-term PPM roadmap for both process and tool. You'll receive an on-site, personalized workshop to kick off the engagement, which includes best practices. Plus, you'll have access to a PPM industry expert who's lived in your shoes and can provide practical advice to help you succeed. Bottom line, PPM Express. Faster implementation, lower cost. Want to learn more? Visit regoconsulting.com.